We've all been there staring at a blank slide, trying to figure out how to make our ideas look polished and professional. Traditional presentation tools make you fight with layouts, text boxes, and endless formatting. Gamma takes a completely different approach. It promises to remove the busy work and let you focus on your ideas while AI does the heavy lifting. I put Gamma to the test, and here's my honest review. Gamma.app is an AI-powered platform built for creating presentations, documents, and web pages that feel modern, clean, and engaging without the frustration of manual design. Think of it as a smarter alternative to PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even traditional document editors. The idea is simple. You tell Gamma what you want to create, and within seconds, it generates a visually appealing draft that you can customize. Instead of wrestling with design, you spend your energy refining your message. The biggest strength of Gamma is speed. With its AI presentation generator, you can go from a simple prompt to a full deck in minutes. You type in your topic, maybe add a few details, and Gamma automatically creates slides with layouts, visuals, and text structured around your theme. For entrepreneurs, students, or professionals who need to pitch or explain concepts quickly, this is a game changer. Another highlight is interactivity. Unlike traditional slide decks, Gamma presentations feel more like scrolling web pages, fluid, responsive, and easy to share. This makes them great for remote work, client proposals, or teaching materials where attention spans are limited. Gamma also offers built-in AI writing support, helping you flesh out points, summarize complex ideas, or make content sound sharper. Instead of switching between tools, you stay within one platform, while the AI acts like a co-writer. The templates and design options are modern and minimal, so your work doesn't end up looking like every other PowerPoint presentation. Gamma keeps consistency across fonts, colors, and spacing, while still giving you flexibility to tweak. As with any AI-driven tool, there are limits. The text Gamma generates often needs rewriting to match your tone or brand voice. It's a great starting point, but not always polished enough for final delivery. The design, while modern, can feel restrictive if you want highly customized layouts. Unlike traditional software where you control every pixel, Gamma keeps you within its design system. For some, this is a blessing because it prevents messy slides, but for advanced designers, it may feel limiting. Another point to consider is pricing. Gamma has a free tier, but many of its AI-driven features and customization options are locked behind premium plans. For heavy users, the upgrade is worth it, but casual users may find themselves hitting paywalls quickly. Gamma.app reimagines presentations and documents for the modern age. Instead of wasting hours aligning text and images, you can let AI handle the structure and design while you focus on ideas. It's perfect for anyone who values speed, simplicity, and a professional finish without hiring a designer. It's not a replacement for full creative control, and it won't eliminate the need for human editing. But as a productivity booster, it's one of the most exciting tools in the space. So here's the takeaway. Gamma is less about building slides and more about telling your story with clarity and speed. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you trust AI to build your next big presentation?